Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem I found online today looks pretty good. Okay, it's 3x squared over 5 equals 48 over 5. Okay, this is like a proportion type problem. Okay, normally how we could do this, you ready, is we just cross multiply like this. We'll do this. Okay, cross multiply thing. But this is a tad little different. So don't forget, if this was on a test, times of an essence. Okay, but the fact that they both have 5 in the denominator, okay, that means you're multiplying times equal things. So it really doesn't change the proportion. If you took 3x squared and then 48 is a different number, and you multiply them each times 2, it'd be the same. It'd be the same ratio, okay? So we can just cross out this 5 on both sides. And we then come down with 3x squared equals 48. Okay, we come down with that. That's all. So don't forget it's a test. So times of the essence. Now, what will we do to solve for x? We got to get rid of this 3. So we divide each side by 3. So we get x squared equals 48 divided by 3 is 16. Okay, so now what do? We got to get the x by itself. Okay, so this is x squared. What's the inverse of x squared? It's take the square root. So we do the square root. But what we do to one side, we got to do the other. Okay, now this crosses this out. This crosses this out. We come down with x. The square root is 16. Okay, it's 4, but it could be negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 4 is 16 also. So this equals a plus or a minus 4. And that's the answer. Okay, square that off so the teacher knows, hey, my answer is x equals plus or minus 4. Okay, and that's all there was to it. But you see how you can cross that off? Now, if the denominators at the top weren't the same, one was a 4, one was a 5, you'd have to do the cross multiplication and then just solve from there. Okay, but the fact that the denominators are the same, you can just cross them off and you don't have to do it because you multiply in times equal things. Okay, and the proportion stays the same. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Recommend this to any math students or anything school students, because they might see this on an exam and they might say, oh, hey, I could solve this real fast and move on to the next problem. Okay, and finish this test early and go back and check my work. Okay, thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.